what do you think about the recent times? What do you think about the elections? And what do you think about Modi?
So do you know guys, Narendra Modi is the best Prime Minister of India, and he wants to improve your country, and he wants to improve your country for us, and he wants to do a job. He wants to provide job, every student, and he's a good Prime Minister in our country till now.
What do you think about it?
So guys, I know, like, as we all know, like, about Modi. Modi is a good prime minister, like, in India, and I know about, like, very well about Modi. He is good leader, but he is doing good work, as well as he is doing good work, but as well as he is ignoring so many like wrong things. About do you know about Ankita Bhandari?
Please tell me.
Ankita Bhandari.
Ankita Bhandari. So many people.
Ankita Bhandari.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember.
So you can feel like her parents like feelings. So he's not doing like like take against Ankita Bhandari. So you can imagine, guys, like he's doing good work, but like as well as he's ignoring so many wrong things, and so that's why like so many people they are abusing like Modi, and so you can say, and like he have done so many good things, but as well as he have not done like he have done as well as like wrong things in our country, and so you can imagine, guys. So what do you think about like politics like Modi? It will be good for our country or not?
I think that Ankita Bhandari is a individual case.
Yeah.
A state or a CM should.
Yeah.
It's a part of
It's a part of state. You can say it's about Ankita Bhandari. You can say Pushkar Singh Dhami, but you can't say Narendra Modi.
Yes,
Because Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, and Pushkar Singh Dhami is the Minister of Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
So you can say Pushkar Singh Dhami.
Tell me about like Modi.
Yes, I think Ankita Bhandari case is depend on state. I think state or.
Louder, just louder.
Actually,
Not India.
it was a BJP area.
But
I know.
Modi can do also, na, yeah. It
Yes,
doesn't matter.
But
He can
can't
say
say
it, but
Narendra Modi.
he can't actually. He can't. I don't think he can interfere in that situation. I think because it was if PM Modi can say about it, it was a national issue. Do you agree with it?
Yeah.
It was a national issue.
I agree.
If Narendra Modi can talk about it. If you think
Narendra Modi can't talk about Ankita Bhandari, but Pushkar Singh Dhami can talk about Ankita Bhandari.
yes, I think it was a very serious action was taken against it.
That's why like so many people they are again
Against.
open they are again open this file like Ankita Bhandari.
Yes.
This older case, so that's why I'm telling to you about like Modi. He is ignoring seriously.
You can see BJP.
He's not taking against like Ankita Bhandari case, so that's why.
Yes,